Jan Travolta.
Okay, ready? Ready, get. Stay. No, yeah. Okay, guys, practice. I'm
Okay, you're doing it.
I'm
Go there on front.
I'm still watch. I have to watch you first, guys.
Go there, 1, 2, 3.
No, you're gonna do this too. Come on, you learn. There you go, Mom. There you go. Okay. Sorry. Follow Ruth. Ruth knows.
How come you're not doing it? How come you're not doing like this?
No, Daddy. My mom was trying to tell me that your dad never did. I gotta do it. Take a picture, hurry. Do it. Take a picture, now. Hurry. So fun. Yes. Where's Ruth going? You're going backward.
Yeah? Yeah.
Take your hips, girl. Hips. Dad, you're too stiff. You gotta give movements. There's like, you gotta move. No. The Macarena girl. My dad's too stiff. He's all like, you gotta move like this. No, I didn't do it yet. Come on, Mom.
Slide. Okay, we're gonna do slide. Yeah. Come on, just slide.
Listen to the beat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like, excuse me.
Okay, serious. Okay, 1. Do it, Deva.
Don't look at us, your mouth on. Okay, do it again. And then why you're not doing it? No, I really saw my Here's her thingy.
Okay, 1. Don't
Hey, Teresa, you walk us.
1, 2,
You have to do that every day.
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Come here. Yeah, Not yet, Dad, dude. Now. Oh, who cares? Oh my God.
What's that green thing that I'm that one guy?
And his two friends are so fine.
Sige, sige, sige.
Oh my god. May pakabahan. Wow.
Yung oras na yan?
That's a rapper kid.
Yung oras ba nagtuturo ko ano?
45.
Alas 11 kasi.
My microphone? Is that one?
Let's sing
So, maski ako, trabaho ko bukas eh.
Ayoko nga, no?
Pero gabi hapon.
that when I was singing.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2.
Well, I don't
Let's
have
look at all the other songs. I don't like the other ones. I like
Only the 5 songs.
Si Kuya wala na?
Wala na, may pasok ko bukas maaga siya.
Yung oras sila 5
Let's do
ate?
makeup.
Maghapon kasi ang kasama niya.
Ha?
Mga 6:30.
Mama.
Yan, ilang oras na siya nagtatrabaho? 4, 5?
Mga 5, 6.
Permanente eh.
5.5.
How do you do the scoring? She's not on.
7 and a half?
She said how you do
There,
this
5
on.
and a half.
How are you scoring?
Hmm.
She said how you do this
It's
on.
in there. Scoring. Alam na lahat.
As you were in time, suddenly the memories came back to me in my mind. How can I be strong now? Past myself, time and time again. That I'll never fall in. Where am I? Oh, yeah, you again. Sing me some. I learned how to get. No, I can't read that. Oh. She knows the song though. The intentions you have many, I know you did. I come from the place of it, and I know how I'll cry. I never want to be, never fall again. She said you should sing it also. Making up to you. Oh, so right. How can I be strong now with myself? Time and time again. That I'll never fall in you again. Look at her, she's like, here we are alone again. Didn't think of this. But to know it all began with just a little kiss. Come to me close, happiness to have it swept away. What about me? Oh, you're me. Never fall again. Oh, I'm not singing. I'm making enough to get my hair cut.
Oh, you sing. You sing.
Won't you stand there and then tell me you love me a little again? Oh, later. Put it there. There you go. See, I got requests. I got requests. With you again. Nice to hear.
You again.
Hold me. Hold me. Don't ever let me go. Say it just one time. Will you love me? God knows I do love you again.
Nalang mo yung buping, nalang.
Thank you very much. I would like to dedicate this song to all of you. I would like to thank my manager, and I would like to thank the Sony production, and to all my fans, I love you, and I would like to thank God first of all. And thank you very much. Thank you. And this award I give. Just kidding.
Only